Welcome to this tutorial on how to set up multiple monitors on Windows 11 computer. In this video, I will walk you through the steps to extend your desktop across multiple monitors, allowing you to have more screen space and increase your productivity. Firstly, ensure that your additional display or displays are connected to your computer using the appropriate cables, such as HDMI, DisplayPort, DVI, or any other type of connection. Once done, you can proceed to set up your displays. For a simple setup of a laptop and one external monitor like this one, press the Windows key together with P on your keyboard to open the project screen. Here, select Extend option to extend your desktop across both monitors, just like this. If you would like more customization options for your setup, you will need to access the Display Settings menu. To access this menu, simply search for the Settings app in the Start menu, or use the keyboard shortcut Windows key together with I. From there, navigate to the System tab and select Display. Alternatively, right-click anywhere on your desktop and choose Display Settings for an even quicker way of getting there. Once in the Display menu, look for the Multiple Displays section and click on the Extend these displays option to configure your multiple monitor setup. So, let's say you got two monitors set up like this one. You can see monitor 1 and 2 available here in Display Settings. Both monitors can be used, but to get to the monitor on the left, I must move the cursor all the way to the right. To fix that, go to Display Settings and click on Identify. This will show you the numbers displayed on your monitors. In my case, I can see that monitor number 2 is located on the right in Settings menu, but on the left side of my table. That means I will need to also move monitor number 2 to the left in the Display Settings menu. You can rearrange its position by dragging it, just like this, and then clicking Apply. Now you can easily move your cursor between monitors without any hassle. You can also customize the resolution or display orientation of each monitor by selecting the monitor you want to change in the Display Settings menu. Let's try Full HD resolution and portrait orientation as an example. When prompted to keep settings, click on Keep Changes, adjust the positioning, and click Apply. Lastly, you can change your primary display by opening the drop-down menu under the Multiple Display section. Select which monitor you want to make your primary one, and choose Make this my main display. That concludes the tutorial. If you are using Windows 10, don't worry if the menu looks different, as the process for setting up multiple displays is essentially the same. I hope this video was helpful and that you now have a better understanding of how to extend your desktop across multiple monitors. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.